So here's this one. Okay, this one's a little different, a little, maybe a lot. Try it out though. Try it out. Take a minute to, and we'll go over this one. I will not use long division for this. We'll only be using synthetic division for this one. Although if you want to use long division, you can. All right, synthetic division then, right? Remember, we need it to be in the form x minus c, the divisor. That's what we're dividing by. So when that says the divisor, it's talking about this part right here. And it already is. It's x minus 4 in this case. All right, so when I set up my synthetic division, I'll try to give myself some space there, but the c value, which for me is 4, goes in the box. Now the thing with this polynomial that they've given us, it is a trinomial, but it's missing some values in the polynomial, right? So I'm going to rewrite it, but with the missing values. So I do have the x to the power of 4. That's good.
Oh, so it's 4.
All right, so the other terms that I'm missing, I know I've got a negative 63x and also a negative 6 there, but I know that I'm missing an x cubed term, so that's going to be a 0x cubed, and I'm missing also an x squared term, so that will be a 0x squared. It's kind of offset, sorry about that. But now those coefficients I'm going to list in order, right? Because we got the phantom 1x to the power of 4, so there's 1, and then I've got the 0 and then the 0, and then I've got the negative 63 x's, and then the negative 6 finally here at the end. So with synthetic division, we know that we just drop the first value, the 1, boom, there it is, excuse me, there it is. And then we take the 1, multiply it by the c value there, 4, and then that will go here, here. That's 1 times 4, by the way, which is 4. Now that's positive 4, right? So that would read 0 plus 4, which is 4. Now I've got 4 times 4 there, which is 16. That'll go in the next space there. And it's positive 16. So now I've got 0 plus 16, which is 16. Then I'll do 16 times 4, which is 64, positive, by the way. Positive 64. And I've got negative 63 plus 64, which is 1. And then I'll do 1 times 4, which is 4. That goes here on the end. And my 4, and then negative 6, that'd be plus 4, that'd be negative 2 there, okay? Now the negative 2, again, that's that last term there is always our remainder. And I'm going to write the answer in both ways just in case because it will ask for both ways on the assignment. But that last term right there, the 1 is always a constant. The 64 then has to be an x term. There we go. Which means the next term has to be an x squared, and then the final term there has to be an x cubed. The 4 is positive, so it'd be a plus between those two terms, and then the 16 is positive, so there's a plus there as well. So I have my polynomial, my quotient, with the remainder, but again, I'll write it a second way, with the remainder included in the polynomial. So that'd be x cubed plus 4x squared plus 16x plus 1. And then again, from here, it depends on how you want the negative. I'll just put the negative there in front. The negative 2 over the original divisor, which was x minus 4. So either one of these work. Again, I'm not even saying one's better than the other. They're just going to ask for one method. They're going to ask for you to show it one way, and then you say, well, show it in a different way. If they say put the remainder in a different box, this will have its own box. Okay. But again, on the assignment, what they're going to do is this will be a box right here, and then I think these are boxes, and these are boxes, and I think even boxes right here. Then you just got to fill them in, right? From what we had to start out right there. So I guess you could say they're forcing you to do synthetic division.